Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a copper golem in Bedrock. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll just open here our browser, and in our browser, I will directly search for the copper golem in a Bedrock. Okay, like this, I will directly search. So to make a copper golem in a Bedrock, you need here first of all to craft it. Okay, so you'll just open it. So first of all, you have to make a copper golem like this. Okay, so first of all this brick, then a pumpkin, then a stand, so it will become a copper golem. So here, from here, you can see a tutorial also, a small tutorial. So the tutorial is like this, shift 2. Okay, so you can just watch this tutorial. So add-ons, here we can see this is a copper golem. So this is how we can just create a copper golem very easily. So you can see the all more steps also. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.